Patterson, living in Louisville. Today we're coming to you from Bluegrass Meadows in Mount Washington. We're at the Cumberland model that we're looking at today. This house is under construction, so not everything is quite done. So there's still some work to be done on finishing product. As you can see, there's no yard. There's some cabinetry work that still needs to be done on the inside and some other little odd jobs. But we'll walk you through that and show you everything on the Cumberland. I'm here today with Fischer representative, Talisha Jackson. We're coming to you on a beautiful spring day out here in Mount Washington, and I'm going to show you this Cumberland. Can you tell us some more about this model?
Absolutely. So this is our Cumberland Market. This is located at 187 Strawberry Fields Drive. And if you follow me, I'd love to show you inside.
Nice big front porch as we walk in.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Welcome in. All right, as you see here, as soon as you enter in, you're going to see a nice, lovely foyer area. And then we're also going to have our study areas in here as well. So for the purpose of this market, it has been turned into a study. So you'll notice the beautiful French doors off to the side. Plenty of beautiful natural lighting coming in that office there. Perfect.
I love the windows that are over there. A little different, not the standard so-called window.
Absolutely.
And gives you a little more privacy from the neighbors next door as well.
Definitely, while all bringing in beautiful natural lighting.
And then we come back this direction and we go into the garage area. Nice big double car garage.
Yeah, check that out. Nice spacious powder room.
And then we come right back into the kitchen area.
So you've got the nice island right here. Could seat about 2 guests. And you also have some additional space over here as well. Plenty of cabinets, as you see also.
Nice and tall too.
Yes.
And then we got the pantry over here.
Plenty of space to store your things.
And then it goes straight into the living area.
Nice open concept.
Nice big room, big windows.
Big
got
windows,
the
yeah.
sliding door goes out to the patio. And
Very luminous.
This is a engineered?
This is engineered hardwood flooring. And this would be an optional feature.
So we have this nice patio. It's out here on the back. This is a standard patio. And these can, on certain models, be upgraded to a larger size, correct?
That is correct.
All right, so let's head back and we'll take a look at the upstairs. So we have 4 bedrooms up here, correct?
That is correct. Yes.
And we have these 2 over here on this side.
All right. So if you head on in here, you do have a secondary bedroom. Nice large window. Nice closet space. Plenty of space to store your items.
I like the sliding doors.
Oh yeah, it's a nice feature. All right, as you see right here, we're gonna have our secondary bathroom. And it is gonna have the stand-in shower and tub combo.
And then got the utility closet right outside the door.
Yep, very, very convenient. You can store your linens. All right, we head in here. We have another additional secondary bedroom, plenty of space, nice large windows, on looking the lake out here.
And from this
Nice
room,
view.
you can check out and see who's at the pool before you go over.
Hey, absolutely, absolutely. All right.
And you got this little area here. It can be used as a additional TV room or playroom or workout room or whatever you wanted to use it for.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then we have 2 more bedrooms over here.
Yeah. All right, so this is going to be another secondary bedroom. Again, spacious, providing a nice scenic view, nice large window. And this one even
Nice
has a
big
window in
closet.
that closet. Yeah, check that out.
All right, let's go back and check out the primary bedroom.
Absolutely. Of course, we saved the best for last. And we do have the owner's suite.
Nice
Very
big room.
spacious. Very, very spacious.
Got light coming in from two different directions with the corner windows.
Absolutely.
And
If you head on over here, you do have the owner's bath. We do have the double vanity. And we do have the garden tub over here to the right. And then the stand-in shower.
well,
All right, and if we head over here, check out that nice walk-in closet. Provides plenty of space.
and then to make everything convenient, got your washer and dryer up here on the second floor.
And how's that?
No more lugging everything down the stairs.
No?
All right. Well, we hope you like the Cumberland. Again, this is in Mount Washington. It's at Bluegrass Meadows. This is Talicia Jackson. She's with Fischer. My name's Will Patterson, Louisville, Kentucky Living. Reach out and get in touch with either one of us if you're interested in this home or any other model home with Fischer.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.